Gusto kong gawin ng pelikulang Atin Ko Pong Singsing. Kwento ng isang pamilya na pinagpasapasahan ang isang singsing.
Caliber 38 is a neo-noir story of a cop, 30 years in his career, and it's an observation on how society changes with
Ang
him.
film na gusto kong i-pitch is Makapili. This is about enemy collaboration during time of war. Yung pelikula will also focus on ordinary people caught in the middle of the war.
Kildroid is about a bullied teenage girl who stumbles upon a mothballed U.S. military project dealing with this naked cyborg.
The story I have to pitch is Dugo sa Bakal at Apoy. It's a poignant coming-of-age Western adventure kind of film. On a point of view of three siblings trying to find out the murder of their father.
I'd like to do a horror film without ghosts and monsters. The title is Mga Anak ng Diyos, inspired by the 3 Days of Darkness that maybe happened 33 years ago.
Ang challenge lagi ng filmmaker
Is solid na financing.
Ang funding, ang source ng fund will always be the problem.